Boys in blue back in town. Well, what a way to kick off MotoEats vlog number 5, I think. Or is it 4? I'll say both, and then I'll just edit out the one that it isn't. Welcome back to MotoEats vlog 4. Welcome back to MotoEats vlog 5. I'm getting a police escort for this one too. Jokes. Thought they were coming for me for a second there, I'll tell you that. I wasn't doing anything wrong, it's just how it rolls, isn't it? You hear police siren and you're like, whoa, what did I do? Anyway, I had a little bit of work on this morning, my normal job. Then did a bit of work on the K100, just trying to get a bit of fiberglass cowling going for the seat, underneath the seat pan. Still working on that, just waiting for a little bit of that to dry. Nice day, not too hot. And I got some ND filters for the Action 4 arrived last night. So I thought, why not go for a little bit of a ride today and test them out. Kind of new to ND filters, so hopefully the video's okay. Have a ND8 on there at the moment and just adjusted the shutter speed and the ISO into manual, everything else is in auto. So I'd come for a cruise, go and get something to eat on the way, and yeah, call it MotoEats vlog. Why not? I've committed this year to do at least one a month, so this is the first one of the year. Get it out of the road. He didn't make it. He did not make it, poor little thing. I don't actually know where I'm going. Well, I do know where I'm going. I know the establishment I'm going to. I just don't know the whereabouts of said establishment. I'm pretty sure it's like a just a burger shop, and from memory it's like Ryan John or Ryan Johns or something like that. It's a weird name for a restaurant. It's like the owner is just like, ooh, I want to open up a restaurant. What should I call it? Well, my name's Ryan John. Maybe I'll just call it that. But, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to come down here and just have a look at the ocean. Who doesn't like looking at the ocean? Right there, smack bang in front of us, West Aussie coast. And then I might stop and look up some directions. I know I'm close, it's in this area, so that's a good thing, I guess. These skate parks popping. Bloody kids everywhere. Blinker helps you. Alright, I'm going to find somewhere now, get some directions, because I think I'm close. Got a quick look at the map before I head off, just before. And I know that it's near the golf course. And I think I'm near the golf course. So we're close. How crazy is it that these bloody kids don't go back to school till the start of February? That's ridiculous. Ryan, John, kitch on. Umbrellas, oh, could have went in there, pay attention. Umbrellas are out, must be open. I'm going to park in this little slither of shade. Looks like it's made for me. Beautiful. Let's try it. Made in Heathridge. Yum. Let's get it. Alright, that was MotoEats vlog number 5 at Ryan John Coffee and Kitchen. Yeah, nice little spot. Get the tunes on. Get the tunes on. Yeah, nice little spot. Ryan John. Food was good. Good portions. Massive helping of chips there for a small burger. Yeah, tasty. Big range of burgers and all, you know, like handmade sort of thing, not like big chains and stuff, restaurant chains. That was yeah, nice little touch, handmade sort of thing in a little restaurant like that. Delicious. Ooh, that's delicious. Snap, crackle and pop. Throw that back there. Another one here. Hey, where's your gear, mate? Come on. Just for the bloody slide, mate, not the ride. Come on. Ah. I know where I am now. Cloud 9 on Cloud 9, eh? You spelled cloud wrong. Where's Punk? Yeah, you press that button. Help us out, buddy. Thanks, mate. Maybe you're not a punk after all, eh? you doing? Just cleaning his car. He can't park there. 100% you can't park there. Three coolies. I reckon they think they're cool. They must be, they've got a Frenchie, eh? I mean, cool people have Frenchies. Stan Lee. Stan Lee. Kermit. Geez, the bloody custom plates are out today, eh? Look, Kermit the Frog up here. That was a horrible shift, wasn't it? What is going on? Oh my god. We're following three coolies. Who's following Kermit the Frog? Oh, Kermit's going. We're going, Kermit. We're going, Kermit. How old's Kermit? 86. Oh no. Kermit's pretty old. Hey, didn't we pass them on the way there? They're just cruising up and down the street with their lights and sirens on. Just trying to scare people, I think, aren't they? The burger that I chose today at Ryan John Coffee and Kitchen was the Sheriff Burger. Beef patty, bacon, spicy aioli. Didn't really have too much of a spice to it. Cheese, and it had potato gems, like little, what do you call them, like hash brown things. Not sure if I was too keen on those, but yeah, tasty nonetheless. There was a special there today. But it had Reaper chili like jam in it. I just don't know. I guess maybe it might have been alright, because if the spicy aioli didn't have anything on it, then maybe the Reaper jam might have been nice. Maybe that can be next time. High power out in force today, aren't they? What are they doing in there? Why are they hiding in there? What are they hiding for? Did they have a radar? I did not see them. There was a car, but I did not see the peoples. Was them hiding? Sneaky, sneaky. Anyway, there is a motorbike. Oh, left hand off, hey? Must be bloody copying me, mate. Am I speeding? What is the speed limit here? 60. Delicious. Alright, that was MotoEats vlog number 5. Nice little ride today. Back in the garage now. Get some work done on the K100 rear seat cowling. I'm not sure what you'd call it. Fiberglass cowling that we're working on right here. Doing a little bit of a custom jobby. Close in underneath the seat there and then help hide and protect the brain. So yeah. Join us on that series if you're interested in seeing this custom K100 build come together. I'm pretty excited to see it finished. Get out there and ride it. Show the world. So yeah, if you're interested in that, consider checking these out. A new one uploaded yesterday and currently working on this episode 13 I think we're up to now. So yeah, check it out. Thanks for joining us again. MotoEats vlog 5. Stay tuned for the next one. Cheers.